All right, you read the title right. We're going to show you guys how to take your short form video content and make it lead magnet times 10. How to convert people on your short form without having to drive them to another action, the link in bio. You guys have been on TikTok, you've been on Insta. Hey, here's what I want to talk about, and blah, blah, blah. And if you want this, just go to the link in bio, right? Unfortunately, with short form content, they don't let you hyperlink in the video. It just doesn't happen. Well, how do you overcome that without having to go to the link in bio? Ah, pay attention. I'm going to show you how to do this and make it super simple and hopefully show you some strategies to help you guys absolutely dominate. So, without further ado, let's show you how to not only get short form video content created for you, but how to turn it into a lead converting magnet. Are you ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. So in order for this to work, obviously you need to have a TikTok account, an Instagram account, a YouTube account, Facebook. You need to have these accounts set up and you need to have access to short form video. Now, you can either pay companies to do them for you. You can do them yourself. I mean, we can get to there any way you want. I'm going to show you done for you content inside of our systems. Now, if you want to see how our system absolutely crushes using direct mail, funnel pages, email campaigns, and what I'm about to show you, plus 10 other things, just go to the description, take a look at my webinar. I'll also pin a comment. You can click that link. Guys, it's game changing. But enough about that. Let's show you how you can take your short form content to an absolutely different level. All right, so guys, when we are in one of our systems, we're going to go over to the PDF guides, okay? Now, our PDF guides are absolutely amazing. And what we've got here, guys, is PDF guides for everything. So if I come over here and I want to search for tired landlord, okay? Let's just go and do it. Here it is right here. This is our tired landlord guide, okay? And what I want to do is I want to show you the marketing tools that you get, including short form video, guys. This thing is amazing. So in order to get the short form video for this PDF, this is an actual PDF branded to you. I'm going to go to Media Library and I'm going to look for videos. And there's my tired landlord guide. I'm going to click it and I'm simply going to download it. Here's what it looks like. I'm not going to play the whole thing for you, but I'm going to download it. Once I download this guide, I'm going to take it over to Canva, right? And by the way, look at all the content. There is dozens and dozens of already done content, guys. You can grab any of this and use it as a lead magnet. And it's like the hottest real estate topics on the planet. Now, once I have this video downloaded, I'm going to come over here to Canva and upload it. So here's what it looks like before I make some quick edits. So this is the content right here. Let me see if I can share my sound so you guys can actually hear this, because it's pretty cool stuff. So let's do this. And this is geared towards maybe, absentee owners. But guys, let me pause it. Did y'all notice the shift? Okay, look down here. This is a really quick edit. So I edited this. I went and grabbed a square and I covered this area that came with the ebook. And I simply put this right here. Text landlord to this number. Now, this is how your lead magnet becomes a converter. Instead of me sending them off to a link in bio where they have to click it and then it's going to ask them to go offsite. I mean, there's other steps. This is one quick step. If they truly want your guide, they're going to text this. Now, what do I use? I use a company called Texla. And so what I did is I created a keyword. This is it right here. Tired landlord. So all they have to do is text in tired landlord to that number and I send them the guide. It does it automatically. So what did I just do, guys? I've got the video here that I got from my system, dozens and dozens of already done real estate agent content. It's all there. You just got to download it. I brought it over to Canva and I made one quick edit and I added a text to call feature. If you don't like the company Texla, which I would highly recommend, you go and check them out. It's a penny a text and it will automate your text back to them. Here's the other thing. When they text you for that guide, you now have full rights to call them and text them. They have opted in. And anybody that texts me on that guide is going to go in a group. That group will be in text. And anytime I want to go to these absentee homeowners that got the tired landlord guy, I can text them at will, right? Just conversions through the roof here. But guys, all I have to do when I'm done, and let's just take a look at it again. This video is done for me. I didn't do anything but add this, right? And once it comes to the end, I can add another video here of me. Hey, thank you so much, blah, 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 blah. Don't forget to, or just leave it as is. Simply download this as an MP4, and guess what? I'm now back. I can take that MP4, put it on TikTok. I can take it over to Insta. I can post it on my YouTube channel as a short, or I can put it on my regular Facebook page and let everybody see it. Again, this is how you take your conversions up a notch. And guys, in our system, you're going to gain access to dozens and dozens and dozens of done-for-you short-form video content. And we add new content every month, so you get more of this stuff being created for you. And again, it's super simple. You grab your video, and you don't even have to use our system. You can go and grab whatever system you want. You can create your own if you want. But what I love about ours is it actually has a full boat, full color PDF guide that addresses the absentee homeowner. We've got them for foreclosures, FSBOs. We've got them for people going through probate. We've got regular buyers and seller guides, and all of it comes with short form video content. You literally can download, make that one quick change. You can still drive them to your link in bio, but there's only so many times you're going to be able to do that because your link in bio is going to grow exponentially. Just simply create a text code. And if you don't want to use a company like Texla, you can use your cell phone. Just use text replacement and create a text replacement with the word tired landlord or FSBO. And then in your text replacement, just go ahead and type in what you want to send them. And anybody that texts your cell phone that code, just simply use text replacement to send them the response back from your cell phone. Now, it's not a true opt-in, but you can at least automate the whole thing. Well, slightly. It's manual automation. So there's plenty of ways to get to the center of this Tootsie Roll. But at the end of the day, this is taking your short form video to a new level. Guys, what did you think? I hope I didn't lose you on this one. It's fairly cut and dry. If you use a system like what we offer, you get the content. You just simply grab it, download it, create your text to call, then upload it to your socials. Guys literally could do that in 5 minutes. Every day you could be dropping new short form video with these lead magnet text to calls. What'd y'all think? All right, if you think this was incredible, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know. If you thought this sucked, don't leave a comment, right? But this is the stuff we want to make sure that we get to you guys so that you have actionable steps that you can take as you are doing your job as a real estate agent, right? Marketing changes. It's fluid. Every year, it's like shifts and changes. What we do today is different than what we did 5 years ago, for sure. So stay on top of everything. Guys, subscribe, hit the bell. Stay with us, guys. We're trying to drop content every day, minus the weekends, for you guys to have some really good, actionable steps here in December to grow your real estate business, to get more sellers to work with you, to get more buyers looking to reach out to find out what you can do as a real estate agent to help them with whatever programs that you can find and create in your area, becoming a value transfer station to all of your potential clients. Because at the end of the day, it's the value that you bring and the offer that you submit to them that will build that trust bridge and allow them the opportunity to say, you know what, I want to call that agent. They've got some amazing stuff. All right, guys, that's it on this video. Stick around, subscribe, and tomorrow we're going to have some more amazing topics and tricks and tips for you guys. But again, on this video, how to turn your short form video content into a lead magnet without having to go to link in bio. Can't wait to hear your replies. Make sure you drop comments below. Share this for me. Help the algos with this. I think this is a cool video. Share it on your social medias and find out what your agent partners think of. All right, that's it. We'll see you on tomorrow's new topic.